Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Merry Christmas in arrears. Happy New Year to you guys. Thanks for your support on my previous video. I really appreciate the like, the comments, the subscription and shares. It really means a lot to me. So today this video is for my designers, especially my logo designers, right? I do logo designs too, and I came across some things few months back, when I was stuck on a project, and I just thought, yeah, why not share with you guys today? We all know that logo is like the cornerstone of branding, right? Logo has to be, is one of the important brand elements, right? And when clients come to you, they say they want a unique logo, they want a logo that is memorable, and all you can think of is how to incorporate icons or lettermark, that is going to represent your brand well. And let's not lie, sometimes you just open your Illustrator to work and ideas are not flowing. I mean, you're trying to sketch sometimes and you just look at it and be like, nah, I can't do this, right? Good thing is you're not alone. I mean, sometimes I try to sketch and I'm just like, another day. It goes on like that for days, and that is what some people call creative block. Yeah, I know you must have heard that. So today I want to share with you 3 websites where I go to find inspiration for logo designs. When it seems like all hope is lost. I mean, this is not logo modernism, but it is something that is really going to help you, to find inspiration no matter what industry you're trying to design the logo for. So I'm going to get into my computer now so I can show you the website and some fascinating things I know about them. Yeah, let's get started now. Alright, to get started, let's look at logobook.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description, so in case you want to check it out, you can just go there and check through the link. So this is Logo Book. You have different logo inspiration in letters and numbers, shapes, objects, nature, animals, and business. So these are all the letters we have, A to Z, and numbers as well. So if you need to check out inspiration in any of the letters, you just need to open up, let's say open up letter A, or open up letter U, and you can see different logos under U, different logo styles. You can see different logo styles. Sorry, my internet is actually shitty, but yeah, I think we can still manage it. So you can see different logo styles and feel the solid outline, monogram, iconography, different logo styles, right? So just as we have this for you, we have for all the letters there. So what you just need to do is to just open up each of them, and you can do the same for shapes. For shapes logo, if you want 3D, angled, arrow, circle, crosses, cube, diamond, and dots, different shapes. Also for objects, maybe in architecture, books and paper, boxes, crosses, crown, everyday object. So why I like this logo book is because it's so clean. You can see the design is so minimal. You can see all of the logos standing out. So if you're going to create a logo, if your client is going to love it, then if you're a logo designer, you know that then the black and white must be superb, right? And all these logos are in black and white, so you can see it's really amazing. So next I'm going to go to the second one, which is looker.com. This is also a really interesting website. You have all the logos segmented in different industries, right? At Logo Book we have shapes, letters, but these are in industries. You have the 3D logo, accounting logo, agriculture, animal, airline. You can even view all of them. But because I'm trying to make this video not too long, I'm going to leave the link in the description, and you can check them out one by one, see which one that interests you, depending on the project you have at hand. The last one is logosystem.co, right? This is a very interesting website because you don't only have the logo. I mean, you have the logo and then you have animated logos, right? So if you're looking to design a logo, you like the style, you can also check out how to animate it, right? How the animated version would be. And you can also create a profile and showcase your work there. All this is going to give, this is like giving back to the community, right? After you get inspired, I'm not saying you should copy the exact logo, right? Get inspired, improvise on it, create a unique logo, and you can share back on the system so that other designers who need inspiration can also look at your job and be inspired, right? So those are the three logo website I use for inspiration. That is the Logo Book, Looker.com, and Logosystem.co, right? Like I said, I'll leave the links in the description so you can check them out. Yeah.